We're going to do more on factoring trinomials and solving them. You ready, class?
Yeah!
Yay math?
Yay math!
When I say math, you say yay? Yeah. Math!
Yay!
Math!
Yay!
When I say yay, you say math. Yay!
Math!
Yay!
Math!
Okay. In case anyone at home is wondering, this is my student's jacket, so I don't blend in with the back. Now I'm a floating head. No, I'm not. Okay. Does it look okay? Yay math. Alright, so yeah, we're disrupting other class. Shh, psych. Okay, here we go. 7x squared plus 29x plus 4 equals 0. Alright, question already. Love it. Go.
What is a trinomial?
Trinomial. What is a trinomial? Good. Trinomial is a polynomial, which is an equation, with 3 terms. 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
And then a polynomial
Is a many-termed equation.
Okay. So a trinomial is a type of polynomial.
A trinomial is a type of polynomial. Excellent. And we just heard someone said, I'm taking notes. That's fantastic. That's great. I'm happy you said that. Okay. So, first things first. Is there a greatest common factor?
No.
No. There's no greatest common factor, so we can start our factoring process. Alright. So, if we were to do the foiling process, f times f, what times what is 7x squared?
7 on the
So
outside.
say it. Yeah, go ahead.
So then, and then x and x on each side, and each thing, right?
So what times what is 7x squared? Yes?
Would it be 7x and then x?
7x and x. Is that clear? 7x and x. Alright? 7x and x. Good. So we started with that one. Now we're going to go to this one. What times what is 4? What do you think? Yeah?
2 times 2. Or
2 and 2.
Or 4 and 1.
Or 4 and 1. What do you want to start with?
Let's try 2 and 2.
Let's try 2 and 2. We go 2 and 2. Alright. So let's foil this dude. If we were to foil to check, forget about the signs for now.
Okay.
Even though we can tell it'll be both positive. So 7x squared, right? 7x squared. 7x times 2 is?
14x.
14x. 2x. 4. Can these somehow add to make 29?
No.
No. So is it 2 and 2?
No.
No.
Let's try 4.
Let's try 4 and 1. It's like a game show. Let's try 4 and 1. Okay. Where do you want to put the 4?
4.
What do you think?
Oh,
Where do you think? Can you tell where you want to put the 4? Yeah?
In that one. The second one.
The second one. Interesting you should say that. Can you
Why?
put in your own words why it'd be good to put the 4 here and not here?
Because...
Oh! I love that moment. Oh! Okay, no. Go ahead.
Okay. So you have to... In the L, you have to do the 4 times
Yeah.
the 7x.
Right.
Which it would be 28x.
28.
And
Yeah.
then plus the 1, 29.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Were you going to say that with the O sayer? Was that your intention?
Yeah.
Good.
It was.
Okay, good. All right, so let's make a plus plus. Foil to check. 7x squared. 28x. X makes 29x. And 4. Yes.
Okay, so the reason why you put the reason why you put the 4
Yeah.
in the second parentheses was because it's bigger, and so like it multiplies into.
With the 7.
Yeah.
It'll multiply with the 7, and that will make 28, and all we need is one more to make 29.
If you put it in the first parentheses, then it wouldn't be multiplied by the second.
Right, if you put the 4 here, 4 would be multiplied by x, and 1 would be multiplied by 7x, so that would make like
Okay.
11.
So usually should you put the
Like
bigger
elevator. Yeah, go ahead.
put the bigger number in the second one?
No, it depends what the middle term is.
Okay.
This elevator's broken. Okay, so you put the bigger number wherever you need to put the bigger number. He's still laughing, that's awesome. Okay, how many factors are still here? Or how many factors are here?
2. Sorry.
2 factors, it's okay. So 2 factors, you set each to 0 to solve, because anything times 0 is 0. So we're going to set the first factor to 0, which is 7x plus 1.
Wait. I have a question.
Yes, question.
That's not the answer?
No, the answer is solve for x. We have an equals. We need to solve for x.
Okay.
Wait.
This is factored, but we're not done. Solve. Okay, so we set each factor to 0. X plus 4 equals 0. I think everyone's writing, they don't see that. One person.
I
Everyone's writing, and they look up, oh. Okay, and yeah, so now we solve. Here we go, -1. 7x equals -1, divided by 7, divided by 7. Bless you! X equals -1/7. Totally cool. So high pitched. How do you do that? It's like, I'm 1/16th mouse. In other words, great grandfather. Okay, so these are the two answers. Any questions? We solved both factors set to 0. Okay. All right, we're going to do 3 more. You ready? Ready, yaymath?
Yeah.
Funny. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Do you have the giggles? Do you really?
I can't breathe.
That's awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the giggles. Okay. It's cool.
Sorry, don't want to interrupt.
To solve. No, you're fine. You're fine. All right. Solve again. To solve, we need to set the equation equal to 0. So how do we make this side equal to 0, please?
Add 3a.
Add 3a and?
Add 4.
Minus 4.
Wait. Please wait.
We're going to add 3a to both sides.
Oh, I understand. So you just want... Oh!
Yeah, set it to 0. Set it to 0. Combine it in 2 here. So we added 3a to both sides, subtracted 4 from both sides. Oh. Okay. Leaving us with what?
8a squared.
River dance. 8a squared.
Minus 3a.
Minus 6a?
Yeah, sorry. Minus 6.
Minus 9.
Equals 0.
Equals 0. All right, here we go. Is there a greatest common factor? GCF.
Okay,
No.
add them already.
Yeah, we added
Greatest
them.
common factor.
Is there?
Oh.
There's no greatest.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. No.
Nothing goes into 8, 6, and 9.
No.
All right, so we go. What times what is 8a squared, do you think? Yes.
8a in the first one, and then a in the second.
Okay, 8a and a is possible. It might even be the answer. My recommendation is try the less extremes. So what makes 8 instead of 8 and 1?
2 and 4. Yeah.
2 and 4.
Sorry, 2,
It's
4.
4 and 2.
So 2a and then 4a.
So in this case, generally, we put the 4a here. Generally, we're going to put the 4a here, 4a, and 2a. All right? So you're right, 8a and a would work for this part, but just in my experience, do the less extreme ones first. Okay, what do you think multiplies to 9 most likely?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. So let's put those in.
Cool.
And we're going to leave off the signs for now. Volunteer to foil check. Full check. Yes, go ahead.
8a squared.
8a squared, good.
And then 12a.
12a,
And then 6a.
6a,
And 9.
and 9. Is this good news? Is this good news?
It's great news.
It's great news. All right, that's good. That's positive right there. It's not good news.
It's great.
Okay. Which has to be negative, which has to be positive, so that they add to -6. Yes?
In front of the 6, there has to be a negative.
In front of the 6, there should be a negative. In front of the 12 should be a
Positive.
positive. All right, so here we go. if 12a should be positive, what should be positive here to create 12a? You see it? What?
One of the three.
Which three? The first one or the second one?
The second one.
The second one, right? This one. Check it out. 4a times 3 is 12a. That's where in the foiling thing. Alright? So how do we make negative 6a? You want to say it?
What?
Sound like you want to say it. How do we make negative 6a?
You put the negative in front of the other one.
Alright.
Of the other three.
Cool. So, and now negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9.
Negative 9.
Good. So this is our check and it works. Question? Yes?
Would it have worked if we did like 8A and
Interesting.
A?
The question is, would it have worked if we done 8a and a? No. There's only one answer. Alright, so, which is good news for me. There's only one answer. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. You can put a line through it or whatever. That was our check. We have factored. We're one step away. What do we do to each of the factors? Yeah?
You have to find out like what A is. So you do 4A minus 3 equals
So set them
0.
both to 0.
Yeah.
4a minus 3 equals 0. 2a plus 3 equals 0. And solve both of these. I'm going to do this in El Rapido mode. Here we go. Plus 3, 4a equals 3. A equals 3 over 4. Right? El Rapido mode.
Do you speak Spanish?
I don't speak Spanish. I wish I did.
You should learn.
Do you speak Spanish?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, you're going to be
We should have a bilingual yaymath.
bilingual yaymath. How would you say yaymath in Spanish?
Sí, matemática.
I gave you a giggle.
Great. Sí, matemática! Ole!
I'll throw a sombrero at you.
That'd be good. Bring a sombrero for class. Any questions on these two answers? 3/4 and negative 3/2.
Like, ooh.
All right, good. So we set it to 0, right? We set it to 0, then we factor, because there's no greatest common factor, we factor. And we try the less extremes like 4a and 2a. Good. Okay. 6x squared minus 14x minus 12 equals 0. Okay? It's a, what is this called?
Hold on.
What's this called? These three terms?
Trinomial.
Trinomial, we're going to factor. So, what's the first step in factoring always?
Greatest common factor.
GCF.
GCF. Is there one?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it?
2.
It'd be 2.
Wait. But
2 is the greatest common factor.
Not for x2.
Gotcha.
The second.
There's no x here.
So the first one.
okay.
What's the
so-
greatest common factor in all three terms? 2.
Because 2 goes into all of them.
2 goes into all of them. Does anything else go into all of them?
The 2
But there's
doesn't
an
go
x.
into yeah.
Like, isn't the number as a whole 6x
2.
squared?
Undistributed. Undistributed. 2 times what
3x.
is
The second.
6x squared is 3x squared.
So 3x to the second, and then 7x
Minus 7x.
and then
Minus 6
6.
equals 0. So we factored out 2. Right? We factored out 2. And that's also great news because this becomes much easier to factor. Much easier to factor. Alright. So now we have a trinomial. We can't take out any more factors, so we turn it into our conducting.
How would we do that?
2, like this. How do we do that? Good question. Let's do it.
Okay.
Alright.
Do you have to write the 2?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you have to write the 2. It's part of the problem. Okay. What times what is 3x squared? Yes.
3x and x.
3x and x. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. 3x and x. What times what is 6?
2, 3.
What do you think?
6 and 1.
6 and 1?
Yeah.
Or 2 and 3?
Let's do 6 and 1.
You want to do 6 and 1? You feeling it?
I have it written down.
It's like the 7, so.
6 and 1. 6 and 1. I'm not feeling the 6 and 1.
You're not?
6 and 1.
Feeling it a little.
Well, let's think about it. Look, if I put the 6 here, that'll make 18x.
No, put the 6 over there.
If I put the 6 here, I'll get 6x, and 1x here will be 6 and 3 will make 3.
I'm feeling this some 3 and 2.
I'm feeling the 3 and 2, yeah.
So you have to do 3 and 2 with 2 on the, like,
2 here, or 2 here. Let's try it.
side.
Do you want to put the 2 here? Let's try it. 2 and 3.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. So,
Oh wait, I'm not understanding.
we're multiplying to make 6.
Okay.
Trying 3 and 2.
Okay.
All right, so FOIL.
But then what do I do with the?
I get it.
With this 2, keep it alone.
Okay, but then 3 and 2 and 7.
Yeah, let's see if it works.
Wait,
See if it works. Foil the middle.
Okay,
How do you
3x squared.
There's already a number in the beginning of
6x. Ah, 3x squared, 6x.
So wait, but let's finish this process and we'll take that question. 3x squared,
6x.
6x,
3x.
3x,
6.
6. Can these somehow combine to make 7?
No.
No, so it's not 3 and 2.
I knew.
Let's try 2 and 3.
Okay.
2 and 3. It'll matter. The order matters now. Right? The order matters now. So 3 and 2 is out. These are out. Here we go. 2 and 3. Let's give this a try. Someone else to FOIL to check. Please, yes, go ahead.
6x.
Well, let's do the, no.
Is it
No, FOIL. Just this.
Just
This. We're doing the red.
Okay. 3x squared.
3x squared,
And then 9x.
9x,
2x.
2x,
And then 6.
6. All right, good news, right?
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Okay, so which one needs to be negative and which one needs to be positive to make negative 7? I heard
the
it.
9.
The 9 needs to be negative. So if the 9 needs to be negative
The 2 needs to be positive,
and the 2 needs to be positive
and the 6 needs to be negative.
and the 6 needs to be negative. So let's think about it. How do we make the negative, how do we make negative 9x here? Yeah, go ahead.
Minus 3.
The 3, right? Because, check it out, 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Cool. And then 2x needs to be positive, so here it is. Confirmation, also, 2 times negative 3, the last step, is negative 6.
Wait, so what is the reason, like, why is there a 2 in the beginning of this whole problem?
Because it was factored out at the beginning.
But it's not doing anything. Like,
It's not doing anything, correct. It's not doing anything. It's factored out. Okay.
So you just ignore it, basically.
I'll tell you what to do with it now. Yeah.
I don't get why we couldn't have used 6 and 1.
It wouldn't work. Try it on your paper. It wouldn't work. There's only one answer. Okay, so this is so far so good. Any questions on this? Yes.
Let's say we didn't factor out the 2, and we would still be able to.
We would still be able to factor. Yes. We would still be able to factor. It would just be bigger numbers. One of them would be doubled. Because if you distribute this 2 in here.
Right.
Okay? All right. Oh, you're saying if we did 6 and 1 at the beginning. Is that what you're saying? 6x and x here, you're saying?
No.
No? Okay. Because that would happen if you take the 2 in. All right, here's how to solve this. This 2 is extraneous, meaning it's unnecessary and it's not really affecting the problem. So a rule in math, we can divide both sides by 2. If we divided both sides by 2, 2, what would happen to these 2 here?
They would cancel and the 0 would stay 0.
They would cancel and the 0 would stay 0. Fantastic.
Why are we dividing by 2?
Yeah.
Why
To
does
get rid of it.
that matter? Why can't we just, like, ignore it and, like...
We can, sort of. We can. You can ignore it if it's an equation. You can ignore the 2. It's
Yeah,
out.
because if you're dividing by it and it's gonna cancel anyways, why can't you just say bye?
Say bye. It's
Say
fine.
bye.
Yeah, say bye. If it's an
Fine.
equation, say bye. But technically what's happening is you're dividing by 2. I just want you to know the rules. So now let's rewrite 3x plus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. Set both factors to 0. Equals 0. x minus 3 equals 0. All right, x here equals negative 2/3. Hopefully you can solve that by now. Subtract 2 on both sides. Divide by 3 on both sides. Done. And then here, add 3 on both sides. X equals 3. So those are the two answers.
Okay.
Yeah, I skipped a few steps here. I'm giving you credit for able to solve simple equations.
Yes.
All right. What's the time on the thing? How much is this fast?
2039.
2039. All right, that's a good place to cut. Okay. Any other questions on this?
Wait, we did not do a proper goodbye.
Oh yeah, we're gonna say goodbye now. Okay, so how would you say bye, math?
Adios, matematica.
We thought.
Adios! Matematica. Why am I playing guitar?
Pause it.
Is it on still? No.